Want to change your Snapchat profile picture? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to update your Bitmoji profile picture in just a few simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll through the options until you find Bitmoji, then tap on it. After that, select Edit My Bitmoji. Here, you can update your Bitmoji however you like. You can take a selfie for personalized suggestions or manually customize features like your hairstyle, skin tone, eyes, face shape, outfit, and much more. Once you're happy with the changes, tap Save. Your Snapchat profile picture will be updated instantly with your new Bitmoji. And that's it. That's how you can change your Snapchat profile picture. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.